Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we've got 2012 Hyundai IX35, stock number 6755. It's ran from the 11th 2009 to the 9th 2013. It has a D4HA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4HA 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The front guard, just some paint fade. Left hand door mirror. Left front door, just some paint fade. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Front kiddies light, sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.